Welcome back to Corvette Warehouse. My name is Jason with the YouTube channel Front Seat Driver. Today we are here looking at a 2020 Elkhart Blue Coupe, 7,046 miles, 72,995. This is a 3LT Z51 with the front end lift. And I will tell you that will come in handy when you're hitting some of those low areas, pulling into parking lots. Of course, this one being a 3LT will also have the front cameras. This one has chrome badging all around. Step back and take a look. It has the three-piece plastic front splitter, Trident wheels with the bright red brake calipers. Now this one has the body molding painted along the door to match the car, so is also painted in Elkhart Blue. This one also has the painted mirrors. This one is a coupe. The Z51 spoiler right there, paint matched. Elkhart Blue. This one has chrome tips. And of course, there is your Stingray. Step back and get another angle right here. But let's go check out this very beautiful interior. So this is the natural dipped interior. And of course, more GM carbon fiber right here, right there over the instrument panel. By the door. But man, look at this. And this one also has the GT seats. You got a little carbon fiber right here, the GT2 seats. Very nice. Again, the oblong kind of square steering wheel. Another one that I absolutely love. After having driven with it a while, I found out that it was quite useful. I very much like it. Thought it was weird at first. Little storage right here. Little storage under the AC vents over on the other side. And of course, you have the storage down on the bottom of the door. Let's take a look at the front. So as we see once again on the C8, I always like to show these in every video for people who may be new to the C8 Corvette. Nice amount of storage, and it's nice to have a frunk and a trunk, but definitely could fit, you know, a decent amount of groceries in here. May not take it to Home Depot and get anything too big, but it definitely has a little bit of storage right there. Once again, if you use a battery tender, right here, you will plug that in. But Elkhart Blue is a great blue color. Has been discontinued for recently to Riptide Blue, which is another beautiful blue. But let's take a look right here. Let's pop this trunk. Button right next to the rear camera. So there's your engine bay, which on the convertibles you won't be able to see, but of course on the coupe you can. So very nice. And then right here, as you can see, there is your trunk. As I've said in other videos, if you take this car to the grocery store and you're buying ice cream or something like that, you don't want it to melt, probably don't put it in the rear trunk because it will get hot back there. The frunk would be your friend. So, and again, even though this is not a convertible, the target top removes and stows in the back right there. It does lock into place, so it's not just sliding around. But this car is available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.